matters on environment to see how we can build our restoration of degraded wetlands and fragile ecosystems, including our water towers that is currently being undertaken in Kenya, including the planting of 15 billion trees, to see how that can be synergized with what is the environmental program that is going on in Uganda, understanding and realizing that climate change has no boundaries. We have also agreed jointly on matters of peace, security and stability in our region, and we hold common position on what should happen in Eastern DRC, in South Sudan, in the Sudan, in Somalia, and in our region in general. The meeting also emphasized the importance of extending, as I have